No? Okay. In economic theory, in classical economics, it's a branch of economics called classical economics. Okay, and the hypothesis there is that there are 4 factors of production. Meaning, to produce something, you need 4 objects or 4 things. Anybody know? Do you know what those 4 factors are? No? Okay. The 4 factors of production are land, labor, okay, capital, and knowledge. Okay, these are the 4 factors of production. Pretty much any time that you need to produce anything, okay, you need access to these 4 factors in some shape or form. Okay. Now, finance is that branch of applied economics. It's a branch of applied economics. It's a branch of applied economics that deals with the use and sourcing of capital. Okay. It's that branch of applied economics that deals with the use and sourcing of capital. Why study finance? Any idea? Why would anyone want to study finance?
It's the heart of business.
The heart of business. I wouldn't say it's the heart of business, but anything else other than it being a very important part of business? Yes, it's a very important part of business. If you don't have money, you can't really run a business, and if you don't earn money, there is no point doing business. So, yes, it's a very important part of business. Any other reason why you would want to study finance? How about from a non-business perspective? From a personal perspective, is there any reason for you to study finance?
We can get an idea how our company will grow.
You can get an idea how your company will grow. I'm talking about from a non-business perspective. From a personal perspective, you're all employed somewhere, you're earning money. So you're dealing with money, right? You have some inflow and you're also having some kind of outflow. Correct? You're spending on rent, clothes, food, maybe you're giving some money to your family, whatever. Right? Maybe you're taking a vacation, enjoying the latest mobile, maybe the car, I don't know. Okay. So you all deal with finance in some shape or form, right? How to
utilize your money.
How to utilize your own capital. Okay. We're not just talking about the capital required for running or operating business, but also the capital required for us to survive. I mean, let's face it, we live in the Kali Yuga, right? In the Kali Yuga, money talks, right? So you need to know how capital is allocated and what the best avenues for utilizing capital is. Okay. So this course is going to be around about 12 to 13 lectures. Okay, I'm going to take another additional 1 to 2 lectures depending on how much material we cover or what the speed of the class, etc. is. Okay. So it's basically there are 12 to 13 lectures. Of that, there will be about 5 to 6 lectures in which I am going to talk. Okay, so it's going to be me giving you information. The balance 50% of the class, I expect you guys to come in and participate. Okay. So how we're going to do that is we're going to introduce some basic concepts, some basic theory. Okay. So that we know what finance or the particular areas of finance that we are interested in. We know the theory behind that. The balance 50% of the class, we're going to analyze a case every day in class. Okay. I'll hand out the case and I'll expect you to come prepared. And this is going to happen. Essentially, the idea is that in the next 4 sessions, today, tomorrow, Friday and Saturday. Okay, we're going to introduce the bulk of the theory. Okay, I'm going to give you the bulk of the theory that is required for us to understand a particular area of finance that we are interested in. Okay, and when you come here again every alternate Sunday, I'll be giving you homework. Okay, you're expected to come prepared with that homework, which is essentially a case study that I'll give you. You're going to have to analyze that case study on your own, come to class and contribute to the class discussion. Okay, so we'll basically be solving each case every class, and that will give us a better idea of what particular area of finance that we are going to talk about. Okay, alright, so now that I've introduced to you what the class is going to look like, let's go into what we're going to do today. Okay, so what is finance? For those of you who arrived late, what is finance? No idea? Some idea, right? What is your opinion?
Finance is money which can be used for
Money. Okay. Anybody else? Yeah, well, finance is about money, yes.
finance is nothing but investment you need to start any business.
Well, sure, you need investment to start a business, but there are businesses where you don't need investment. There are lots of businesses where the customer pays you before you start your business.
Then in business, when you require something to do, you will require finance. That is money. That is money.
Do you have anything else to contribute? Oh, you are here, okay. Essentially in economics, I mean this is a repeat for the four of you for their benefit. In economics, we say that there are four factors of production. That you need these four things to produce any good or any service. These four factors of production are land, labor, capital and knowledge. You need these four things if you want to produce any good or service. Finance is a branch of applied economics that deals with the allocation and sourcing of capital. And capital here is what you are referring to is as money. Alright. So yes, it is the sourcing of capital necessary to run or to start a business. Absolutely the investment that you need to start a business. But it is also when I have the capital, what business should I do? Should I sell potatoes and onions at the market or should I sell fish at the market? Right? And that is the particular area of finance that we are extremely interested in.